hardcover apple slices are everywhere right now, but I wanted mine to look different and have that original real deal. This is Candy Apple TV, the spot everyone keeps coming back to for my North Cackalacky caramel apple recipe, and I see why. I just took this batch out of the freezer and look at the caramel, soft, smooth, and so delicious just coming out the freezer. The full tutorial for my North Cackalacky caramel is linked in the description box below. Now let's make these chocolate caramel apple slices. The things that you will need will be, first of all, a good Granny Smith apple. Cookie cutters. There's a smaller one. It should be like 5, but I don't know where it's at. But since I don't have my smaller cookie cutter, I'm going to use a cupcake tip, a 1M, and my lemon juice. And get a bowl or whatever you have and pour the lemon juice in the bowl. Next, you want to cut your apple. I'm going to do 3 at a time. You need to move fast. You cut that out, dip it in your lemon juice. Cut your next apple slice. Dip it in the lemon juice. And while this is wet, you want to dip this in lemon juice too. So, pop that out. So while you're waiting to cut the other slices, you want to make sure the part that you haven't cut was dipped in lemon juice to prevent your apples from turning brown. Dry the top of it off with the paper towel. I'm gonna try to get 6 out of here. If all your apples won't fit down in the lemon juice, all you want to do is make sure that you flip your apple slices over so that it can have some lemon juice. And then what you want to do is take them out. You don't want them to sit. You just take them out, your lemon juice. You want to make sure you have some paper towel. And what you want to do is go ahead and get these dry. With our chocolate caramel apple slices, you will need a donut silicone mold. That's what I'm using today. They come in different colors. I wanted to use green. It's green, pink, and then they have also blue. I have my caramel and I have my melted chocolate. The links and how to make the North Cackalacky caramel is down in the description box. And also how to melt your chocolate. There's another way that I melt chocolate and it's pretty country and it works. So probably the next time I'll show you guys, but I'm so afraid to show you guys because somebody may do it wrong. But it's really simple. First, we're going to pour chocolate in the silicone mold. And what you want to do is cut your tip right about there. So what I'm doing is pouring enough to get the bottom of the silicone mold, and then I'm going to shake it. So you want to shake it. I can put some more here. Put a little more there. Give it a good shake, a good tap. So now I have my apple slices. Remember, you want to put them in lemon juice so they don't turn brown. So I'm gonna make sure these are dry. I'm just gonna place these down like that. I'm not pressing down or anything like that. Next, we're going to use our North Cackalacky caramel. And you guys already know, if you've made the North Cackalacky caramel, this is some good caramel. And if you're selling apples, it's really nothing out there that can compare. The best caramel apples in town, along with the best candy apples in town. So what I'm doing here is getting that good caramel going. I like my caramel to ooze out of these. I like to put a lot in there. How much caramel to put in here is up to you, if you like caramel or if your customers like caramel. This is a good money maker. You have one apple and you can turn this into what, about $30? Maybe more. So they're gourmet caramel chocolate apple slices. And I have my chocolate here. You want to go ahead and cover that. But you want to make sure you have enough chocolate. I'm gonna give it a shake. Those chocolate, that Ghirardelli, it used to be 12 ounces. Now it's like 10. I want to have enough chocolate to drizzle on the top as well. I may have to go milk some more. I don't know. No, I have enough. So this is a good Thanksgiving treat that you can make. It's Thanksgiving. Place these in the freezer. I can let them sit out, but I'm gonna speed up the process and place them in the freezer. And then once you place them in the freezer, you want these to come back out at room temperature so that caramel can get good and soft. Okay, so I just took these out of the freezer and I'm gonna pop them. Caramel is oozing out. I know this caramel is still going to be soft no matter what. That's just goodness. I'm not done. I'm not done with these either. So I am popping these caramel chocolate apple slices out of the silicone mold. And I probably would be better if I just turn this over and just pop them out. I have a little square parchment paper. And so what I am going to do is take one and I'm gonna place this like on the top. Some chopped pecans here. If you have enjoyed this chocolate caramel apple slices tutorial, make sure you stay tuned to watch my next candy apple tutorials coming up right here on Candy Apple TV. I'll see you in a few seconds over in my next video.